Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do something I never thought I would be doing. Like, this is something it's just Mike, he would never have done in this age of his life. Maybe when I was like 17 or 18 going through my little scene phase, but here we are. Do you know what that is? That is one of these bad boys, Dr.Martens. I never really got into them. I always thought they didn't fit my foot properly, so I always avoided them. And I saw this guy on Instagram and he was doing his like little daily try-ons and everything, and then he pulled out these. And when I saw these, I was like, where can I buy them? Now these are the Harness Black Boots at $14.60. They look like this. Now when I saw these, I kid you not, I looked everywhere for these. Everywhere. I went to stores, outlets, and I was like, where can I buy these? They're like, oh, it's old collection, you can't get it anymore. I was like, what? What am I going to do? So these are very alternative, very sceney type Dr.Martens. I like them because of the harness on the side, and I was like, oh, this is so good. My first one that I went for was actually the Chelsea boot. Well, I actually ended up buying these on eBay. These are the Chelsea boot. These are the first ones. I've actually tried them on. This is what these ones look like. These are the little Chelsea boots. And I was like, okay, great. Someone on eBay selling them. Amazing. Finally got them. Almost bought them from another website called SS. Don't know, it looked like a scam to me. Found these eBay, cleared them, got them in 3 payments. Great. Then Dr.Martens had a sale, right? They had a sale. These came back in the sale. Luckily, they were the same price as what the person was selling, so that is fine. Let's talk about the haul. So the first ones we got were obviously the Chelsea boots. Love these so much. Such a very thick sole on them. They're durable, they're great. I don't wear Chelsea boots ever. This is my first ever Chelsea boot as well as Dr.Marten, and I love this one. I think this is the best Chelsea boot that's ever come out, ever, that I've ever seen, that I've wanted. Because every other Chelsea boot, I hate. I don't like them. I think there was a Calvin Klein one I really liked. Don't know if that's still available. Maybe I'll purchase that. It is. But those are the only 2 that I've ever liked. So, and that one, the other color is a brown, I think stone color. So yeah, this is the only Chelsea boot you'll ever see me wear. To protect them before I actually wear them out is the Shoe Care Protect Kit. This comes with the Wonder Balsam. The Wonder Balsam is a perfect blend of natural and synthetic waxes, formulated to nourish, condition, and protect leather. This formula keeps most leather soft and supple without polishing. We got the Ultra Protector, which is the spray that creates an invisible, breathable layer of protection against dirt, rain, and stains. Love that, need that. And a microfiber cloth. This is just to clean it and remove residues, dirts, and marks. So perfect. I can now wear these out. This is what I got. Now I would wear this with so many different things. I'm thinking like rolled up jeans, rolled down jeans, just exposing the buckle itself, like giving the little buckle, you know, that little nod to like there's something going on here. Love that. That is so cool. I would wear that to so many different things. It's a sturdy boot too. You can wear this for like the rain and hikes and all of the above. It's meant to be a durable boot to have. And the Chelsea boot's a bit more classy. You can wear this more formally, I would believe, than the actual boot, I would say. There's more uses to a Chelsea boot than an actual boot. Formality, smart wear provided. You might see me a few looks of those with the Chelsea boot going forward. Of the actual boot itself. Look at that. Gorgeous. It does have a buckle here you can undo as well if you wanted to leave it open. Obviously you can keep it closed at all times. I just like how they are. These fit so good on, but they are pretty tight. Like, let me tell you, they're going to cut into you for a while. These are the type of boots that you have to break in over time, and then they'll be your best friend, because at first you guys are going to be enemies, and then you're going to be best friends because how tight they kind of are on the heel a little bit. But you just know that after a while you're going to love these. I did see one of my friends get this silicone thing to put on the back of your ankles so you can get your ankles cut. So I might have to invest in one of those and test that out for you guys on my little shorts that I'm doing now. But yeah, I love this. This has so many good uses for more of a casual, I think, look. Would I wear this formally? No, probably not. But like going for like a hike or just like a grungy walk through Camden, perfect. Like this is one of the most perfect boots. I only liked these with the harnesses on them. I don't know what it is, I just really like the harness. And they only come in the black color as I'm aware currently. They're made with a really good sturdy leather too. Like you just know that this will be really good for the cold weathers. Put on some hiking socks with these and you'll be cozy with them on. Getting a bit of an alternative vibe back. I think that's what's going to happen with these. These are going to bring out my like scene kid days back for a little throwback in 2023, 2024. Let's do it. Wear more black. I'll probably just start wearing all black again. The actual boot itself is it's just so iconic. It's classic Dr.Marten with a hardcore twist with the harness on there and the buckle. Love that. It's giving me Final Fantasy VIII. Squall Leonhardt would wear these. Like this is his new attire to go with his outfit that he wears in the game. He would be wearing this. I think that's what also drew me to these two pairs of boots. These are just perfection. Perfection. Thank you so much, John Martens, for making a shoe for me finally. I've always liked their shoes. I never found anything that resonated with me until I saw these bad boys. So super happy getting them. If you see something like this, get it. Don't wait. If it brings you some kind of joy or sparks an interest, go for it. There's life's too short not to enjoy yourself, right? So go do it. Boots especially, I think you can wear the boots with more things than the Chelsea boot. The Chelsea boot's one of those things where you kind of have to hide the top of it, I think, before it looks a bit messy. Whereas these are, you can wear them with pretty much everything except like a suit or anything like that, where the Chelsea boot can give you the extra advantage of wearing it with probably more like a suit, grungy appeal. The boot is more casual, smart, not really formal, but the Chelsea boot gives you the formal edge, I think, personally. If you want me to do some more shoe reviews, I have loads of shoes. I have tons in boxes, and I also might actually buy a few new pairs. Let's see, because every time I travel, I always buy a new pair of shoes. So let's see. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye-bye. Oh, sorry. I think the video just ended that you were just watching, but don't worry. You can leave a comment down below, tell me what you thought about the video, what was your favorite part, or any suggestions you might have. But also, while you're at it, make sure to hit that like button so you can help grow the channel some more. Wait, you want more videos? Okay, well, you can subscribe right here and get any of those fun updates or any new notifications of giveaways, videos, or anything else straight to your inbox first. Or you can click right here to get one of my hand-picked videos just for you, and you can go binge it if you want. So thank you, and have an awesome day wherever you may be. Bye-bye.